Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I make mushroom powder. Here I have a bag of dried shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to take a few and put them in a blender cup. You can fill it almost to the top. As you can see, the mushrooms are dry and crumbly. I'm going to take the cup and go to the blender and be back to you. Here we are at the blender. I'm using a magic bullet blender. I have the shiitake mushrooms inside, and I'm going to blend them to a fine powder. You can blend it as fine or as coarse as you wish. I'm gonna be back to you after I blend them so the noise doesn't disturb you. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the mushrooms are blended in a fine powder. It takes about 10 seconds to blend them. And here is the powder. The powder can be used can be stored in an airtight container for a few months. It's a natural source of MSG and umami. It's good for soup stocks, sausages, sauces, and yeah. I wish you good luck with making your own mushroom powder.